is for assembly, Westminster, by a parliament's command. Conscience above king, Lord Jesus over native land. B is for Bothwell Bridge, where the remnant stood, outmatched but unbending, besides Clyde's scenic flood. C is for Cromwell and Cameron, men of steel and sword. One built the new model army, one died fighting for the Lord.
D is for disruption by proud bishops and a despot's throne, when Scotland confessed Jesus as King of Kings alone.
E is for edicts that outlawed the Kirk and drove faithful shepherds to mountains and the mirk. F is for fields where the conventicles met, songs sung to the wind and with bayonets set.
G is for Gillespie, theologian from his youth, shattering popery with Presbyterian truth.
H is for Henderson, a covenant voice, ordained by bishops, but Presbyterian by choice. I is for Indulgences, compromised relief, a crown-granted gospel that weakened belief. J's for John Knox, who'd thunder made plain, Christ's word, not a monarch, must above all reign.
K's for the killing time, scaffold and stake. They faced gallows and fire, but did not break.
L is for the Lanark Declaration, a banner unfurled. No king above Christ, Christ over the world. L is for Mary Stuart, crown bound to Rome, whose reign pressed the Reformation from home.
N is for the national covenant, solemnly sworn to stand for true worship, though mocked and scorned.
O is for oaths forced by throne and by sword, to break with Christ's crown and swear to a godless Lord.
P is for the Pentland Rising,
The defeat at Rollion Green. Blood was the seed of the martyrs, new growth would soon be seen.
Q is for the Queen's Ferry paper, the King completely ejected, why Donald Cordial and the Cameronians that were ejected.
R is for Renwick and Rutherford, a Cruffet and the pen, one hung for the truth, one wrote the Lord is King. S is for the Solemn League, binding free nations to further reformation, each man in his own place and station.
T is for the testimony, the martyr's last breath. We own Christ as King,
spoken louder than death. U is for ostentation of Christ's royal throne. When Caesar claimed he's that were never his own. V is for those sworn with uplifted hand to walk in God's law and for truth to stand.
W is for Westminster standards, doctrine and creed, the faith of the covenant, scriptural indeed.
X is for Andrew's cross, their banner and sign, crowned rights of Christ, our ruler divine. Y is for York and Whitehall, courts fall away, where prelacy scheme how the Kirk should obey. Z is for Zion, the city they sought, not just Scotland, but the kingdom Christ bought.